When it comes to personal growth and relationships, we often talk about the idea of a high-value man. Being a high-value man doesn't mean it's all about money or looks. It's about having special qualities that make others look up to and respect you. These qualities include things like your character, how you behave, and your way of thinking. They help you grow as a person, have meaningful relationships, and achieve success. In this video, we'll explore 10 traits of a high-value man. If you are new here, this channel is focused on helping you become the best version of yourself and learn how to attract the women you desire. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's go. 1. He has a high sense of self-worth. The most important trait of a high-value man is having strong self-esteem. But let me clarify, having high self-esteem doesn't mean being overly confident or arrogant. A person with high self-esteem leads a fulfilling life because they maintain a positive attitude, even in challenging times. It's not ideal to constantly seek validation or attention by putting yourself down. If you want to impress women, it may not be a walk in the park, but you can start building your self-confidence and self-esteem today to become a better and more highly valued person in the future. Remember that you are amazing just the way you are. You don't have to conform to society's stereotypical standards for men. Focus on personal growth for yourself, not for others, because no one can take care of a woman better than a man who takes care of himself. 2. He lives with order and class. When you think of a high-value man, two words that immediately come to mind are organized and classy. This man knows how to structure his life effectively. And I'm not just referring to long-term goals and plans. The little details matter too, like keeping his home clean and organized and staying on top of bills and deadlines. These small actions speak volumes about a man's commitment to discipline and responsibility. When he sets out to accomplish something, he ensures that it gets done. 3. He is honest. There may be times when your partner's opinions differ from your own, and that's okay. The important thing is to communicate your concerns respectfully without compromising your honesty or integrity. Transparency and honesty are essential values for a high-value man. They are willing to acknowledge their mistakes and apologize without making a fuss about it. A high-value man doesn't make excuses or lie to cover up their errors. Furthermore, they won't hesitate to hold you accountable if you lie or deceive them. Cheating, deceiving, or miscommunicating is never an option for a valuable person. 4. A high-value man is emotionally intelligent. A high-value man possesses emotional intelligence, which means they are aware of other people's feelings and understand how their actions can impact others. But what does emotional intelligence actually mean? It refers to a person's ability to recognize, use, and manage their own emotions in a way that reduces stress and allows them to empathize with others. Women find emotionally intelligent men highly attractive because such men don't act like they deserve something in return for being kind. One of the most evident signs of emotional intelligence that makes a man valuable is his ability to communicate and express his feelings in a healthy manner. He understands that the goal is to resolve the issue, not to fight with his partner. Overall, emotionally intelligent men are genuinely nice because they truly embody kindness and goodness, rather than simply labeling themselves as such or seeking praise for it. 5. He makes plans and follows through. A high-value man consistently follows through on the plans he sets for himself. He values his time and fills his days with purposeful activities. However, he also understands the significance of maintaining a balance between his personal and professional life by interacting with people from both spheres. Due to his planning-oriented nature, others never have to question whether he will show up or not. When he plans a date, he takes the necessary steps to ensure its success. He books and confirms reservations and informs the woman about any specific requirements, such as appropriate attire or footwear. While this trait may appear insignificant, it offers profound insights into a man's character. It demonstrates his recognition of the importance of upholding a set of principles and being responsible. 6. He takes responsibility for his faults. In any relationship, conflicts are bound to happen. A high-value man understands this and is not afraid to acknowledge his own shortcomings. Instead of placing all the blame on his partner, he takes responsibility for his mistakes. This behavior indicates that he values the relationship as a relationship based on equality. There is no power imbalance or control hierarchy present. 7. He understands that a woman of value can choose. A high-value man understands that many aspects of life, including attraction, are subjective. When faced with rejection from a woman, he still treats her with the utmost respect. He recognizes that she had other choices and he simply wasn't one of them. He is also able to move on without allowing rejection to diminish his self-worth. Every man has the potential to become a valuable person. It's a matter of making a commitment to personal growth and development. When a man decides to invest in himself and consistently demonstrate discipline, he becomes deserving of the title of a high-value man. It's important to note that this is not about achieving perfection, but rather about constantly striving for excellence. 8. A high-value man is a good listener. High-value men are skilled listeners and display genuine interest in others' thoughts and feelings. They are not solely focused on themselves and their own needs. Instead, they have the ability to connect with others. They demonstrate empathy and understanding and can see situations from different perspectives. A high-value man communicates effectively, making others feel heard and understood. 9. Self-improvement. High-value men are individuals who understand the importance of continuous self-improvement. They possess an innate drive to enhance themselves and their lives, and are never content with their current circumstances. Rather, they actively seek out opportunities for growth and improvement, consistently striving to reach new heights. These exceptional men have a genuine thirst for knowledge and are always open to learning. They recognize that acquiring new insights, skills, and perspectives is an essential part of personal development. They embrace challenges and are unafraid of making mistakes, as they understand that true growth and progress often stem from valuable lessons learned through failure. 10. He is not needy. Being excessively needy is a major turnoff for women. They are generally not attracted to men who constantly crave attention or demand too much of their time. While it's understandable that a man deserves both time and attention, seeking an excessive amount of them can strain relationships, especially considering that everyone has their own commitments and responsibilities. Women often express that they cannot prioritize their own needs and aspirations solely to cater to a man who is perpetually unsatisfied. This is why a man who is not needy is considered a high-value man. A high-value man is someone who maintains a healthy level of independence and self-sufficiency. He is capable of fulfilling his own emotional needs and doesn't rely solely on others for validation or constant attention. He understands that personal fulfillment comes from within and doesn't burden others with unrealistic expectations. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make use of the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so we can keep in touch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.